Holistic wellness is more than just physical health. It's about nurturing our mind, body, and spirit to achieve optimal well-being. And when it comes to nourishing our bodies, the food we eat plays a crucial role. A plant-based diet is more than just a trend. It's a lifestyle that can have a profound impact on our overall health and wellness. In today's world, it's common to see people struggling with chronic health issues such as digestive problems, fatigue, and mental health disorders. A lot of these issues can be traced back to poor dietary choices and a lack of holistic approach to wellness. When we consume foods that are high in processed sugars, salt, and unhealthy fats, we're not only harming our physical health, but also our mental well-being. For instance, a diet that's high in processed foods can lead to inflammation in the body, which can manifest as anxiety, depression, and even skin issues. Moreover, a diet that's lacking in essential nutrients can lead to energy crashes, mood swings, and a weakened immune system. It's no wonder that so many people today are feeling unwell, tired, and stuck in a rut. By switching to a plant-based diet, we can not only improve our physical health, but also our mental well-being. Plant-based foods are rich in antioxidants, fiber, and essential nutrients that can help to reduce inflammation, boost energy levels, and even alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety. Understanding plant-based diets. What is a plant-based diet? A plant-based diet primarily consists of foods derived from plants, including vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds, oils, whole grains, legumes, and beans. Unlike vegetarian or vegan diets, which often have specific definitions and restrictions, a plant-based diet focuses on minimizing animal products and maximizing plant foods. The emphasis is on whole, unprocessed foods that provide essential nutrients and support overall health. Different types of plant-based diets. Vegan diet excludes all animal products, including meat, dairy, eggs, and honey. Vegetarian diet excludes meat but may include dairy products and eggs. Flexitarian diet, primarily plant-based but occasionally includes small amounts of meat or fish. Whole food plant-based diet focuses on whole, minimally processed plant foods, avoiding refined foods, added sugars, and oils. Nutritional foundations of plant-based diets. Plant-based diets are rich in essential nutrients such as fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Key nutritional components include fiber, essential for digestive health, found in fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. Vitamins and minerals, abundant in plant foods, including vitamins A, C, and E, and minerals like potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Antioxidants protect against oxidative stress and inflammation, found in a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables. Healthy fats, found in nuts, seeds, avocados, and olives, supporting heart health and brain function. Physical health benefits. Cardiovascular health. A plant-based diet is associated with a reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases. The high fiber content, healthy fats, and absence of cholesterol contribute to lower blood pressure. Plant foods help regulate blood pressure due to their high potassium and low sodium content. Reduced cholesterol levels. Soluble fiber from oats, beans, and fruits helps lower LDL, bad cholesterol. Improved heart function. Antioxidants and healthy fats support heart health and reduce the risk of atherosclerosis. Weight management. Plant-based diets are effective for weight management due to their lower calorie density and high nutrient content. Satiety. High fiber content promotes fullness and reduces overall calorie intake. Metabolism. Nutrient-dense foods boost metabolism and energy levels. Reduced obesity risk. Studies show that individuals on plant-based diets have lower body mass indices, BMIs, and reduced risk of obesity. Diabetes prevention and management. Plant-based diets can prevent and manage type 2 diabetes by improving insulin sensitivity and glycemic control. Blood sugar regulation. Low glycemic index foods and high fiber intake stabilize blood sugar levels. Reduced inflammation. Antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in plant foods help manage chronic inflammation associated with diabetes. Weight control. Maintaining a healthy weight reduces the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Cancer prevention. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides protective effects against various cancers. Phytochemicals. Compounds like flavonoids, carotenoids, and polyphenols have anti-cancer properties. Detoxification. High fiber intake promotes the elimination of toxins and carcinogens from the body. Immune support. Nutrient-rich foods enhance immune function, aiding in the body's defense against cancer cells. Digestive health. Plant-based diets support optimal digestive health through high fiber intake and diverse gut microbiota. Regularity. Dietary fiber ensures regular bowel movements and prevents constipation. Gut microbiome. A diverse range of plant foods promotes a healthy balance of gut bacteria, enhancing digestion and nutrient absorption. Reduced digestive disorders. Lower incidence of conditions like diverticulitis, IBS, and colorectal cancer. Mental clarity and cognitive function. Plant-based diets contribute to improved mental clarity and cognitive function. Brain-boosting nutrients. Omega-3 fatty acids from flax seeds and walnuts and antioxidants from berries support brain health. Reduced inflammation. Anti-inflammatory foods reduce neuroinflammation linked to cognitive decline. Improved mood. Nutrient-rich diets are associated with lower rates of depression and anxiety. Emotional balance. Mood stabilization. Nutrients like magnesium and folate found in leafy greens and legumes help stabilize mood. Stress reduction. Plant-based diets can lower cortisol levels, reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Enhance sleep quality. Foods rich in tryptophan like nuts and seeds support better sleep patterns and emotional well-being. Gut-brain axis. The gut-brain axis highlights the link between gut health and mental health. Microbiome diversity. A varied plant-based diet promotes a healthy gut microbiome, influencing mood and cognitive function. Neurotransmitter production. Gut bacteria play a role in producing neurotransmitters like serotonin, crucial for mental health. Inflammation control. A healthy gut reduces systemic inflammation, benefiting mental health. Ethical considerations. Adopting a plant-based diet aligns with ethical considerations regarding animal welfare. Reduced animal suffering. Decreasing the demand for animal products leads to fewer animals raised in factory farms. Conservation efforts. Supporting plant-based diets contributes to conservation efforts for endangered species and ecosystems. Global food security. Plant-based diets can enhance global food security by using resources more efficiently to feed a growing population. Practical tips for transitioning to a plant-based diet. Gradual transition. Transitioning to a plant-based diet can be gradual and manageable. Start small. Begin by incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet gradually. Meatless days. Designate certain days of the week as meatless to ease into the transition. Explore new recipes. Experiment with plant-based recipes to discover new favorite dishes. Nutritional planning. Ensure a balanced and nutritionally complete plant-based diet. Diverse food sources. Include a variety of fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes to meet nutritional needs. Supplementation. Consider supplements for nutrients like vitamin B12, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids. Balanced meals. Plan meals to include a balance of macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Overcoming challenges. Address common challenges associated with transitioning to a plant-based diet. Social situations. Communicate your dietary preferences in social settings and bring plant-based dishes to gatherings. Cravings. Find plant-based alternatives for your favorite foods to satisfy cravings. Budget-friendly choices. Opt for seasonal and locally grown produce, and consider bulk buying staples like grains and legumes. Mindful eating. Adopt mindful eating practices to enhance your plant-based diet experience. Savoring meals. Take time to enjoy and appreciate the flavors and textures of plant-based foods. Listening to your body. Pay attention to hunger and fullness cues, eating when hungry and stopping when satisfied. Reducing processed foods. Focus on whole, minimally processed foods for optimal health benefits. To summarize, the power of plant-based diets for holistic wellness is undeniable. From improving physical health to enhancing mental and emotional well-being and contributing to environmental sustainability, plant-based diets offer a comprehensive approach to a healthier and more balanced life. By understanding the benefits, transitioning gradually, and adopting mindful eating practices, anyone can harness the transformative power of a plant-based diet. Embrace the journey towards holistic wellness and discover the vibrant, nourishing world of plant-based eating. If you enjoyed our video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, check out our other videos for more health and wellness tips and tricks to being the best version of you.